Yeah, shoot, man. We just started one, man. I got the jackhammer plug in my ears too, man. We're gonna take a standby. Hey, you did jump in there, Hollow Point. I don't want to plug anybody's ears. Hollow Point around the desert, 808 in my Mobile. Working the stainless steel whip. I'm out. Yeah, thanks, Jackhammer, for passing the 5, man. I didn't want to cut you off that fast, but man, Hollow Point dropped a quick maul. I'll see ya, Jackhammer. Thanks for passing the 5. And Hollow Point, 808. Cruising my Mobile a mile high. I'm out.
Cover 20.
Alright, hey, Hollow Point, Jackhammer's waving at you. I'll see you, Jackhammer, Hollow Point 808. I'm gone.
Yeah, I'm waving at it, I'm slapping his face. Tell the captain I'm slapping his face on both sides, on the east and the west side. I'm slapping his face on the east and the west side. That captain I'm gonna slap his brains out so he ain't gonna be hollering.
Alright, Jackhammer, I'm stuck in the middle up here in the Rockies. Jackhammer, your neighbor 808, cruising in my Mobile. I'm out.
Yeah, right. You cruising in your Mobile. The Mobile company, I gotta tell you, I'm done.
It's not my fault, man. You gotta blame my tech. I'm out. Right, Hollow Point, I'll put on you later, man. We're gonna step to the side and cruise on back to the ranch. Hollow Point, I'm out. Bye, Jackhammer. I'm out. It's getting late. What is it,
8:38? I'm trying to take a nap. First late, I see it. Yeah, look at him. Hey, 808, I don't know if you know it, man, but them guys are calling you a possum eater down there in the dirty south, too. I'll see you. Aloha.
Check. That's all right. I'll see you, Hollow Point. We just cruised the Mobile. If we get out, we get out. Hollow Point 808 with a 2x6 and a stainless steel whip in a van. Go figure. I'm out.
You got that Evan Beach hammer down out here, man. It's like when you were in the islands, man. Sounds like when you were in the islands, we used to talk every day, man. But shoot, man, it's been a long time. Good to hear you out there, bro. Hey, you keep them
All right, Hollow Point, man. You got covered up, man. Jackhammer was all over that. I'll see you, Hollow Point. He's talking to someone else. Hey, Hollow Point, you're showing up and showing out on the Rockies. Hollow Point, I'm out. You gotta holler. Alright, man, we only passed friendly fires, but that's pretty funny. I'll see ya, Jackhammer. He's got a holler. 808 in the Rockies. I'm out.